This is a screenplay synopsis. The movie opens with a gray-haired, serious-looking, dark, black man. Brown, though, walnut-colored. And he's wearing a suit and tie. He's surrounded by reporters. And they're saying, "Congratulations, Judge Hamilton. What do you have to say about being appointed to the Supreme Court?" And then we go into a flashback of Derrick Hamilton's life, of how, as a teenager, he was framed for murder he did not commit, of 2 decades spent in different New York prisons, and most of that time spent buried in law books. We'd have scenes of him researching his case, other prisoners' cases, getting prisoners out of jail, getting their sentences commuted, getting appeals granted, and finally, his parole. He gets out. A scene of that happy day when he is finally, his name is cleared, and he's walking out of the court with his wife, Nicole, and little baby girl, Maya. And then he's working as a paralegal, having more knowledge than most lawyers, and finally, in his 50s, he decides to get his law degree. And a decade later, he's nominated to be a Supreme Court justice. Because who else can really understand the justice system and make the justice system something that is just, not, as they say in the neighborhoods, a just us program, but something that is just and filled with compassion? Who else other than someone who has experienced how unjust the legal system can be? So that's my movie synopsis for Derrick Hamilton. What do you think? I'd love to get your comments below, and I'd love for you to subscribe. Come back for another 3-minute story later this week.